If Monday.com is showing a cookies error, don't worry. This is usually a browser settings issue. And in this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. By the end, you'll know how to refresh the page, enable cookies properly, and clear old cookies if needed so Monday.com can load the way it should. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, start with the simplest fix: refresh the page. Sometimes the issue is temporary, and a fresh reload is all it takes to get Monday.com working again. So click refresh in your browser, or use the keyboard shortcut to reload the page and see if the error disappears. If the problem is still there, the next step is to enable cookies in your browser. Monday.com needs cookies to keep you signed in and to make the site function correctly. So if cookies are blocked, you can run into this error. To do that, open your browser settings. Then go to Privacy and Security. From there, look for the Cookies section. Make sure cookies are allowed, and if you see an option for Allow All Cookies, select that setting. Once cookies are enabled, go back to Monday.com and try loading the page again. In many cases, that alone will fix the issue. If the error is still showing, the next step is to clear your cookies completely, because old or corrupted cookies can also cause login and loading problems. To clear them, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+Delete. That opens your browser's Clear Browsing Data menu. In the list of data types, make sure you select cookies. You can also include related site data if needed, but the key one here is cookies. Then click Clear to remove them. After the cookies are deleted, restart your browser so the changes fully take effect. Now go back to Monday.com and sign in again. Since the browser is fresh, the site should load without the cookies error. If it still doesn't, double-check that cookies are not being blocked by extensions, privacy tools, or strict tracking protection settings in your browser. So to quickly recap, first refresh the page, then enable cookies through browser settings, privacy and security, and cookies, and if needed, clear cookies with Ctrl+Shift+Delete. Then restart and try again. Those 3 steps solve most Monday.com cookies issues very quickly. If this tutorial helped you fix the problem, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides and troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.